Transmitting and receiving software. Transmitting and receiving software refers to the process that transfers information and data within and between the systems. Communication software. Communication software refers to the transfer of files and commands between computers and is governed by different protocols. Protocols are like languages, and computers need the same language to talk to each other. FTP refers to the term File Transfer Protocol, and this is a protocol used for transferring files from one computer to another, typically from a computer to a web server. FTP is a preferred method of exchanging files because it is faster than other protocols like HTTP. We use FTP in the uploading of our recent assignment when we uploaded the website. POP, or Post Office Protocol, is a protocol used to receive an email from a mail server. Most email applications, sometimes called email clients, use the POP protocol. SMTP, or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, refers to where most email systems that send a mail over the internet use SMTP to send messages from one server to another. The messages then can be retrieved with an email client using either POP or IMAP, which is irrelevant in this situation. It is generally used to send messages from a mail client to a mail server. hello@hotmail.com is an example of an email address, where hello is the account name of the user and is also the mailbox name on the server. It can be also called the IP address. In the other section around here, hotmail.com is the web domain of the server, and a web server refers to the location the mail is sent to. How an email is sent. The IP address looks up the recipients or the contacts of the user, and as you can see, the user is the first icon in the bottom left-hand corner of the diagram. This is called a DNS lookup, or meaning a domain name server lookup, which in this case is the Thunderbird email service here. The sender's SMTP server establishes a connection with the recipients, or in this case XM, and establishes a connection with the recipients. After the SMTP has been collected, it is then passed through a corresponding POP or SMTP server up here and is placed in the mailbox of the receiver for the collection, which is the internet, and then returns back to the user. Software for transferring text, numeric images, audio and video data. Most data is stored in files. During file transfer, the sender splits the file into a sequence of chunks or packets. Each packet is sent individually. However, audio and video files are often larger and they need to be displayed progressively or over time. This is where a program uses buffering to display videos and images in real time. Streaming media players. Audio and video playback or display requires a continuous and steady supply of data. E.g., buffering a video when playing refers to the download of data or video and audio when it is still playing. Buffering decompresses the data into its simplest form and allows you to play it whilst you are watching the audio or video.